All right, after 4 consecutive losses, we are seeing the NSE All Share Index continuing to slide today. The NSE All Share Index slightly lower today. Aigboje Higo, Managing Director at Capital Bancorp, joins me now on the line to talk us through the day's trade. Thank you so much, Mr. Higo, for joining us. I guess no surprise, the market continues to struggle to move forward. And with the Q3 earnings season ahead of us, the big question is, what's the catalyst that will get this market going, especially after we saw that cabinet nominees list?
Well, thank you. We expect mixed results for the third quarter. We should start seeing some of the results later this week or early next week. Some will be good, some will be not so good. So they'll be mixed, but I think it will be essentially positive. And you will know how badly companies are doing or how well they're doing. So that's not bad news in a sense. The cabinet list, we expect to see nominations next week, confirmations next week. That should generate some excitement. And as we get a second list too, that should also generate some excitement. So we expect more exciting times next week.
But what's your reading of that cabinet nominees list? Many are saying it lacked a wow factor. Would you agree?
Well, the biggest problem I have, or the biggest challenge I have, is the fact that I would have preferred that when the list came out, they should have tied them to specific portfolios. You know, then you could do a better analysis. So
right.
What we're doing now is we're guessing, because you can have good people, but if they're put in the wrong place, then that's not good. So for me, it would have been better for portfolios to be attached. But all in all, maybe no wow factor, but there are quite a few good people there.
One issue that perhaps would impact the fixed income markets is potentially another exit from another major emerging markets index, Barclays, suggesting that they will be reconsidering Nigeria's place in their bond index after JP Morgan decided to take Nigeria out of its index. Now, that obviously has more implications for the fixed income markets, but your thoughts about what this could mean for the equity market?
Well, for the equity market, there could be a rub-on effect. You know, so you could have some investors, particularly FPIs, perhaps in a little bit more careful in approaching the Nigerian stock market, but it's not going to be a game changer. I don't see it as a major deal. I'm not saying that it's perhaps negative, but I'm not sure it's something anybody's going to lose any sleep over.
Well, I tend to agree with you as well. I think the JP Morgan issue was perhaps a bigger issue, especially given the size of investments linked to that, and we haven't seen the markets melt down.
The market too negative.
Right. Yeah. All right, let's leave it there. Thank you so much for joining us today. Aigboje Higo, Managing Director, Capital Bancorp, talking us through the trading day in Nigeria today.